Look at this. Doesn't this look nice and creamy? Well, this is mashed parsnips, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Oh, they're so good. Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, we're making parsnips. Have you ever heard of parsnips? Well, I find a lot of people don't know what they are. You know, it's something my mom prepared for me when I was a little girl. And we don't eat them often, but we should eat them more often. They are really good. Ooh. So these, I've only had them for a few days, but I guess maybe they were a little older when I got them from the store. They looked fine, but that's okay. We can work around the pieces that aren't so nice. So you definitely want to peel your parsnips. And they look like white carrots, don't they? But to me, they have a better flavor than carrots. See that? How that's kind of a little mushy. Okay. So, kind of had my target was this. Was the paper towel here. Alright, so we're going to cut that off. A little piece here. Okay. Move this over to the side. Now, cut the ends off. I'm going to cut where that crack is. Sometimes bacteria can hide in cracks like this on food, so you definitely want to get rid of it. Alright, now we're going to cut it into small pieces. Okay, so as it gets bigger, you can just cut this in half. Okay, so we're going to boil these in milk and then mash them. You can see it's kind of hard. Okay, we're going to cut this in half and keep slicing. I'll cut that one in half because we want these to be kind of small pieces. They don't take as long to cook. Alright, there we go. Have my pan right here. Go. Can you guys see inside that pan? Alright, be right back. Alright, so we have our parsnips here, and we're going to cover it in milk. Alright, just like that. And then we're going to cover it in a little bit of cream. Instead of butter, we're using cream. And we'll finish covering it up like that. So you can see how everything is just barely covered. And we still have pieces sticking up. So that's about how much you want. And we're going to put this on the heat. Alright, so I'm going to turn the heat on low, well medium. We're going to get it started first. And then once it starts boiling, we're going to turn it on low. Now, I'm going to put a pinch of salt on top and a dash of pepper. And with pepper, you don't want to add a lot too soon because the heat of pepper expands. So you just start with a little bit and then add more at the end if you need it. Alright? So with that being added, we're going to put our lid on. Get that started. Look, it's already started bubbling. Alright, can you see it over here? Can't see it. Right here it's boiling already. Didn't take long at all. Alright, and this should take probably about 15 to 20 minutes because those slices are so thin. Alright, I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so as you can tell in this little area right here, it's really boiling. So I'm going to go ahead, it's been about 4 minutes, and turn it on from medium to low. Alright, it's got about 10 more minutes. Alright, so it's been a little over 10 minutes. So I'm just going to check them real quick. Alright, there's a little resistance. So some of them, yeah, they're done. There's a couple. They need just a couple more minutes. So I'm going to let it go for another 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so my parsnips are done. I'm going to take the lid off here. And carefully pour them into the bowl. I had some stick to the bottom. No problem. We'll just get those out of there. There we go. Oops, hot. There we go. Get as much as we can out of there. My spoon fell in. It's alright. Put him to the side there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mash these. Now, I need to taste. There's some that's still not mashed. But see how creamy that's starting to look? And I see one little piece in the pan still. No, it's not a lot. Waste not, want not, right? Alright. So now it's getting kind of creamy. Alright. So now I'm going to taste for seasoning. Okay. I think it needs just a pinch more salt and pepper. Okay. There we go. Mix that in there. Alright. Now I'm going to taste it. This is so good, y'all. It's like very luxurious. Like there's like this luxurious feel. And the taste is phenomenal. I can't really tell you what parsnips taste like. They're just really good. They taste like parsnips. Alright. So I'm going to put in this cute little green bowl. There we go. And there you have it. Mashed parsnips. Alright. Well, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share, stick around and watch more videos, and I will see you next time.